Hi, Dr. Lim here. Good morning, DXN. So I'm in the CDP factory at the moment. So I checked the factory this trip to India, and our this kombucha, the capacity now it reach 1 million bottles a month. So most probably will become the largest kombucha company in the world. And today I will explain why we need to drink kombucha. Our DXN kombucha, we have about 30 types of microbes. So basically this is a symbiosis products. It's very potent symbiosis products, okay? And we can sell it very cheaply because we have the technology to mass produce this kombucha. Now, this kombucha is very good for our gastrointestinal, the ecology, the microbes ecology in the gastrointestinal. You see, in the body, our brain, our nerve, okay, the brain nerve is a most concentrated one, okay. But the second concentrated nerve actually is in our gastrointestinal, which is about 90%, compared to the brain. So we also call it the second brain, okay. The score is a gut brain, okay. Now, it do not involve in much thinking, but of course it's definitely involved in the emotion. That's why in DXN, when people have depression, we say don't treat the depression, treat the stomach, treat the gut. Okay, this thing. So when you drink this probiotic drink, okay, a few things will happen to you. First, of course, you feel happy because your gastrointestinal, when the microbe become balanced, your emotion become stable. That's why the first testimony, many people they report to us after taking kombucha, the emotion becomes stable, they become happy. Secondly, of course, your digestive become better. Okay, the motion also become better. Okay, then your health also become better. Okay, now today in front of me we have 3 more new products. One is we are using saffron. You are using saffron. You see this beautiful golden color. Is saffron, and DXN we are going to plant this saffron plant here. Okay. Later on, I think another video I'll talk about saffron. Okay. Then this one is the butterfly pea. Butterfly pea flower, the blue flower, okay, and this one create a very strong fizziness, okay, and it is very good for the eye, very good for the eye. This for the eye, okay. Then you see nowadays people keep on watching television, keep on watching TV, handphone, everything. The eye care is very important. So this one is important for the eye. Then for the saffron, okay, saffron is very important for the what they call capillary circulations in the what they call in the skin. So when you take saffron, the small vessel, the micro vessel in the skin, it will be circulation become better. So definitely the skin also become better. Okay. Then especially those who are having diabetes problem, they're having this pigmentation, skin pigmentation. This of course is very good. Then this one is not this is new product. It's aloe vera. So the DXN is going for a big way to plant aloe vera, and this one is a natural gels. You can mix together with this what they call kombucha to what they call to mix it and drink. Maybe you help me to help me to open this. And you can see the fizziness. The fizziness is very strong for this what they call. For this pea, and this color, natural color, natural color. I think it's very natural color, and of course it tastes like soft drink. But of course, this is much better than soft drink because the fizziness is natural, Okay, it's organic. So cheers, cheers. So I hope you like our kombucha. See you again. Bye bye.